What if your car breaks down tomorrow? Or your hours get cut at work? Most Americans don't even have enough cash saved to cover a small emergency. But here's the good news. You do not need to be rich to build an emergency fund. In this video, I'm going to show you a realistic, step-by-step plan to save your first $1,000 in just 30 days, even if you're starting from zero. And no, this doesn't involve eating ramen noodles for a month. A $1,000 emergency fund isn't supposed to make you wealthy. It's supposed to stop small emergencies from becoming financial disasters. Without savings, most people use credit cards, payday loans, or debt, and that creates a cycle that's hard to escape. But with just $1,000 set aside, you create breathing room. That means fewer panic moments, less debt, and more control over your money. Saving $1,000 sounds overwhelming until you break it down. You only need about $250 per week, or roughly $33 per day. Now, that still might sound tough, but the key is this. You probably won't save it from just one source. You'll combine 1. Cutting expenses, 2. Selling things, 3. And increasing income temporarily. That combination is what makes this realistic. First, let's free up money fast. Look through your bank statement from the last 30 days. Ask yourself, what can I pause for just 1 month? Here are quick wins: streaming subscriptions, takeout food, daily coffee runs, unused memberships, random Amazon purchases. If you cut $10 here, $20 there, and another $100 from eating out, you could easily free up $300 to $500 this month alone. Remember, this is temporary. You're buying yourself financial security. Now comes the fastest way to stack cash quickly: selling things you already own. Most people have hundreds of dollars sitting around unused. Look for old electronics, gaming consoles, clothes, tools, furniture, or anything collecting dust. Use platforms like Facebook Marketplace, eBay, or OfferUp. And here's the trick. Don't ask, do I use this sometimes? Ask, would I buy this again today at full price? If the answer is no, sell it. You could realistically make another $200 to $500 in a weekend. This is the part most people skip. Cutting expenses helps, but increasing income changes the game. For just 30 days, focus on making extra money any way you can. Examples: overtime at work, food delivery apps, dog walking, babysitting, freelance work, yard work, selling skills online. Even an extra $50 a day for 20 days gets you to your goal. And remember, this doesn't have to be forever. You're sprinting for 1 month to create long-term stability. One important rule: do not keep this money in your checking account. Move it into a separate savings account immediately. Why? Because if it's easy to access, it's easy to spend. You want this money reserved for actual emergencies: medical bills, car repairs, job loss, not impulse shopping. Here's the truth. Building your first $1,000 is the hardest part, not because of the money, but because you're changing your habits and proving to yourself that you can save. And once you hit that first milestone, everything starts to feel possible. So here's your challenge. Start today. Not next Monday, not next month. Today. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe, and comment below with your savings goal. And I'll see you in the next one.